afternoon, welcome. This is Neco yet 2019 English past question. Test of oral. Question number 10. We are using the same instruction to answer. We're looking for a word among the options that has the same vowel sound as in the given word, particularly the underlined letter. And the given word here is by, and the underlined letter is letter U. So by is transcribed as this I sound. By I. So option A has double pronunciation. You can call it, or some person call it bet, B-U-T, bet. Then some person call it but, is but. So both pronunciations are correct, depending on the speaker. The option B is dark, which is long R. Remember, in our English class we talk about short R and long R version. So this is long R, dark. The option C is drunt. Option C is what? Drunt, which is, so people call it drunt, but it is actually drant. 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 The option D is loud, pronounced as loud. Loud. R sound, just as in the R in drought. R. Loud. The option E is pronounced as sight. 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 I. Sight. So by pronunciation you know that option E has I sound. Then the given word is by. So our correct option is option E. Option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.